Hi there, and welcome to Basic Training. If you're brand new to AO Scan, or even just a little curious about how it works, you're in the right place. This series is designed to walk you step by step through every feature and module of AO Scan, so by the end, you'll feel confident using it as part of your daily wellness routine. So, what is AO Scan? AO Scan is a non-invasive, frequency-based tool. It uses gentle biofrequencies and electromagnetic signals to connect with your body and help you better understand your unique energetic pattern. And that's where the magic starts. Once you can see where your energy is out of balance, you're better equipped to make real, meaningful changes for yourself. This isn't about diagnosing or treating anything. It's about educating, tuning in, building awareness, optimizing, and feeling more connected to your own well-being. And the best part? AO Scan works on pretty much any device, anywhere you are. For the smoothest experience, we recommend using a device with at least 64 GB of storage, with 2 GB free, 4 GB of RAM, and an internet speed of 40 megabits per second or higher. Alright, let's dive in and explore how AO Scan can help you feel more connected, confident, and in control of your wellness journey.